Good afternoon guys, and welcome to the channel. For those that are new to the channel, I'm Benidorm Scooter Sue and I do videos from my mobility scooter. So today we're going to take a look at ALE-HOP or ALE-HOP, however you pronounce it. So let's go and take. So there's the famous Benidorm Scooter Sue scooter. And there's the famous ALE-HOP. There's the ALE-HOP cow. There we go. ALE-HOP cow, do you think he's expecting some rain? He's got his umbrella up. Got these rather nice looking fans. Very nice. Some nice little lunch boxes. They're open from 10 in the morning till 2 the next morning. Wow. Now I never knew that. And here he is. Mr. ALE-HOP cow with his umbrella. And we always have to give his bell a tinkle. You can also get some fab flip flops for €3. So have you ever shopped at ALE-HOP before? I have. Plushy toys there as well. Lots of stuff for kids. These lunch boxes are great for when the kids go back to school. Little lunch boxes with handles, rucksacks, cute little drinking cups, little folders to keep the paperwork in as well. And yet more plushies. So hit the like, hit the share guys, hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.